When most people think of tequila cocktails, their mind immediately goes to a margarita or maybe a paloma. But today, we're going to be making a cocktail that blows those out of the water. Today, we're going to be making an El Diablo. My name's Ben Kingstone, and I'm the Director of Mixology here at the Butcher Chef in downtown Toronto. Welcome to our new series, Beyond the Bar. Today, we're going to be learning a bit about Hornitos Reposado Tequila, and I'm going to be showing you how we make an El Diablo here at the Butcher Chef. Hornitos was founded back in 1950. It all began in Jalisco, Mexico, with the founder Don Francisco, a man who wasn't shy about taking chances to make great tequila. Since creating the first aged tequila, which nowadays we call Reposado, it has become Hornitos' tradition to break tradition. Hornitos Reposado rests for 2 months in large oak vats to ensure minimal contact with the wood, giving it a livelier agave taste than most wood-treated tequilas. This tequila takes on a smooth and mature character that delivers the purest agave flavor with a hint of green apple. Most people have never even heard of an El Diablo. This mid-century classic combines tequila, lime juice, ginger beer, and creme de cassis, which is a sweet blackcurrant liqueur. The El Diablo is an interesting cocktail because you have a choice of how you make it. You can either shake all the ingredients together and top it with ginger beer, or you can build the drink in your glass, starting with the tequila, lime, followed by the ginger beer, and finished with a drizzle of cassis on top. This method creates a deep purple float that is sure to impress. The original recipe used ginger ale, but ginger ale during the mid-20th century was much spicier than what's available today. So most bartenders use ginger beer to best recreate the cocktail's original flavor. Now that we've got all of that out of the way, let's get into the cocktail. We start off with 1.5 ounces of Hornitos Reposado, followed by 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Then we ice our glass and pour our ginger beer almost to the top. Lastly, we add our drizzle of cassis. And just like that, we can garnish and serve our El Diablo. The El Diablo is an ultra refreshing cocktail to have in your back pocket to spice things up the next time you're drinking tequila, but want to have something more than just the everyday margarita or paloma. I find it a fantastic warm summer day sipper, but also has enough spiciness to warm you up on a cold winter night. To get everything you need to make a Hornitos Reposado El Diablo at home, check out our amazing cocktail kits here at the Butcher Chef. They come with all the ingredients you need and some gifts from our sponsors to help you get started on your cocktail journey. Thank you so much for tuning in to our first episode of Beyond the Bar. See you next time.